I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to remove a card from your Uber account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Go to Payment Settings. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Wallet or Payment from the menu options. This will take you to your payment methods. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the Payment Methods section, find the card you want to delete. Tap on it to view more options. Step 4. Remove the card. Look for the Remove or Delete option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After removing the card, double-check your payment methods to ensure it no longer appears. If you accidentally remove the wrong card, you can add it back using the Add Payment Method option. I hope this guide helps you manage your Uber payment options easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.